In part A, we're asked to solve 14n is greater than 11n plus 6. Well, let's start by moving the 11n over to the other side. So 14n take away 11n is equal to 3n, and so we're left with 3n is greater than 6. Now to find the value for n, we can divide both sides by 3, and so we end up with n is greater than 2, which we can write down in our answer box. Now in part B, we need to show the set of values of x for which minus 2 is less than x plus 3 is less than or equal to 4. Well, now let's start by taking 3 away from each term in order to find the set of values for x. And so minus 2 take away 3 is equal to minus 5, x plus 3 take away 3 is equal to x, and 4 take away 3 is equal to 1. Now we need to think about how we're going to represent this on our number line. And so on number lines, when we have less than or greater than, we have an empty circle. But if we have less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, we'll have a coloured in circle. So now let's see how this looks when we draw it on our number line. Well, minus 5 is less than x, and so we'll have an empty circle. Now when we draw the line all the way to 1, x is less than or equal to 1, and so our circle at 1 would be coloured in. And so we've now correctly shown on our number line the set of values of x for which minus 2 is less than x plus 3 is less than or equal to 4. Now this question is worth 5 marks. We get the first mark in part A for saying 3n is greater than 6. And we get the second mark in part A for getting the correct answer that n is greater than 2. Now we get the third mark in part B for drawing a line from minus 5 until 1. We get the fourth mark for having an empty circle at minus 5. And the fifth mark for having a coloured in circle at 1. And so we've now achieved the full 5 marks needed in this question.